Hi, this is Anushka Sen. Today we are going to do 33 questions with India Forums.
Anushka Sen, who was last seen in the show Jhansi Ki Rani, was roped in by us, and here we found out some fun secrets about her as we threw 33 questions at her. So let's roll. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon for further updates. The first thing you do when you wake up.
Probably play with Sindra. Say hi to Sindra.
A useless talent that you have.
Useless talent that I have. Okay. मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि मैं ये आपको बताऊंगी, but this is a very very rare and useless talent that I have. Okay. So I can do this. Oh God. This is the most useless talent that I have.
Weirdest thing that you've ever eaten.
Oh, I just had a trip to Chengdu, China, so everything seemed weird for the first time. But then the most weird thing that I had was oyster. Was a shell tha, and then I had to pick it up with my chopsticks, and then I just had to eat the chicken inside the oyster. So I had to do like that to eat the oyster. It was very weird, but it was very yummy. Another weird thing that was rabbit's head, which I couldn't eat because I'm an animal lover.
One celebrity whose Instagram game you love.
I think Ranveer Singh, because he wears really cool outfits, and I think from foreign country I really like Lily Singh, and yeah, different people. But before the next question, can I have a chocolate? You want? Next question.
Number of hair ties you lose in a week.
10,568. Were you ready with that? No, I'm a spontaneous person.
Okay. Your go-to party dance move.
Floss. I love flossing. Also this one. I'm doing it with chappals, which is so funny.
The most eventful day in your life till now.
I think working with MS Dhoni, because I never actually believed that happened. 2014 was really special.
One of your most scary experience.
Oh God, roller coaster in Hong Kong. So I'm very scared of big rides. I don't know if you must know, but I am very scared of big rides. I never go to, this place like Imagica or water rides and anything. But when I went to, oh, that's a call. But because interview is going on, so we'll not answer. So I was saying, Hong Kong. It was very scary. So I went to Disneyland for the very first time. I tried roller coaster. It was very scary for me.
Your go-to makeup product.
Lip balm. I can't live without lip balm.
One thing about yourself you wish to change.
I think watching a lot of Netflix. If you give me one season, I can complete it in a day or something. So I watch too much on Netflix. Okay.
One set where you have enjoyed the most.
Jhansi Ki Rani. I love the people from Jhansi because they were like family now.
Your best friend forever.
You know that. Nidhi and Keisha. They're my best friends forever.
One dish you always order while eating out.
I think mojito. This mocktail which is blue in color. It's I guess called Blue Lagoon or something. So any restaurant I go, I always ask for that.
One thing you miss about home when you are traveling.
Sindra, because I can't spend time with her, so that's why I'm always like, when I return home, I play with Sindra a lot.
If you had to get a tattoo right now, what will it be?
I think lion. I just got a temporary tattoo of a lion right here when I went to China, so I would have a lion tattoo because I'm a Leo. 4th August.
The coolest experience you've ever had.
That will be Chengdu, China. The coolest experience.
One thing you love to do on your day off.
I think it will be spending time with my friends, family, also reading books, watching Netflix. अरे मेरा चेहरा खराब हो गया. 1 second. Anushka is back.
If you had to plan a pamper itinerary for yourself.
Woo! I think it'll start with hair spa, and then mani-pedi, then probably I'll treat myself with Belgian waffle and Starbucks. Strawberry and cream is my favorite flavor. So India Forums knows like what is my favorite thing, so they're gonna treat me next time. Okay, definitely.
The weirdest haircut you want to experiment with.
I think I always like bangs, but I always think I should not get it done because I don't know how I will look with bangs. So yeah, probably bangs.
What would your perfect room look like?
Perfect room will look like lot of posters, like my favorite Netflix shows or movies, and soft carpet, then lot of teddy bears and a great view from the window.
Your shopping isn't complete without buying.
Rings. I have fetish for rings.
An art form you wish to learn right now.
I don't know if it's an art form, but I really want to learn new languages. Like when I went to China, everybody told me that my accent was really good of, Chengdu, local language. So I would love to learn more languages.
Which is the most interesting place you've ever visited?
Interesting place will be Chengdu, obviously.
What's the best thing that happened to you last week?
Last week I was traveling a lot. So I came from Kashmir, then I went to Delhi, again I went to Kashmir, then I went to Chengdu. So I was traveling a lot. I love traveling.
The last time you got pranked or you pranked someone?
Oh, it was in Chengdu. So I didn't know, obviously, I didn't know how to speak Chinese, what Chinese words mean initially. So they taught me some words and I was speaking to the localites and they were laughing at me because I thought those words are nice, but then I figured out they were like not so nice words. They were like, it's not like bad words, but then it is probably, like जैसे हम बोलते हैं मस्ती में किसी को कुछ बोलते हैं, so it was like that. But vice versa, मैंने भी ऐसा किया. I taught them Hindi words which they thought it's like pretty and beautiful and handsome, but it was not that.
A job you've always wanted to try.
There are two jobs that I would like to try. One is Starbucks. Okay, I forgot to tell you this. So Starbucks, I really like. Working in Starbucks in foreign countries, I guess that's one thing I'll definitely do. I will do it. And second, be a channel head somewhere. I don't know why. See the channel head.
If you were an animal, which one would you be?
Lion. I'm obsessed with lions. I love lions.
If you had to get stuck with two celebrities in an elevator, who would it be?
I have two answers for this. First will be my favorite actor Cole Sprouse and favorite actress from Bollywood Kangana Ranaut. Second answer will be Kangana Ranaut and Karan Johar.
And what would come out of the elevator? You.
I think the answer you guys can give.
Have you crushed on a fictional movie character? If yes, who?
Yeah, my friends know and they tease me a lot with that. So Vampire Diaries, there's a series, it's very popular. And this character, there was this, character called Damon Salvatore. I love Damon Salvatore.
If you could know the absolute truth to one question, what will that question be?
One question, I think I have many questions. Does God really exist? And if God exists, does the devil exist? Is the world really round? Or we are studying wrong about the world or something like that? There are three questions.
Which Indian reality show you would love to be a part of?
I think Khatron Ke Khiladi because the show is, they take you to really nice, beautiful places, beautiful locations. It is scary, but after doing Jhansi Ki Rani, I think I can cope up with that. And Bigg Boss also.
We hope that you enjoyed this segment.
I love this segment because I wanted to do this segment since a long time because I'm a big fan of 33 Questions with India Forums. So I was waiting for India Forums that they'll come home and we'll do this amazing segment.
Lastly, where are you going after this interview?
I'm going to chill with my friends. So this is the last question? Did we complete 33 Questions with India Forums? I absolutely loved this segment because it was so much fun. I wanted to do this segment since a long time. So thank you so much India Forums. Until next time. So bye guys.
Can you open the door for us?
Definitely. Thank you.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.
Hi everyone, this is Anushka Sen. You're watching me on India Forums.
We hope that you guys enjoyed this segment with Anushka. If you did, do comment and tell us. Simran Mishra, camera person Mangesh, India Forums, Mumbai.